Hi, first graders. This week you have been writing some opinion pieces. You wrote about your favorite toy, you wrote about your favorite place, and you wrote about why our school, Rolling Meadows, is the best school. Today, for opinion writing, you get to do a free write. When we do a free write, you get to pick the topic that you want to write about. So the teachers are not going to give you a topic. We'll give you some ideas, but you get to choose what you want to write about. So remember that an opinion writing is something that tells about the way that you feel or the way that you think. You state your opinion. Then you want to provide details to persuade or make someone want to agree with you. So if you're talking about your favorite animal and you say that it's a cat, then you want to say why you like cats and hope that somebody else might feel that way too. This is the opinion writing format that we have been using this year. There are 4 sentences. Your first sentence says, in my opinion, I think, and then you state your opinion. The best blank is blank, or I think this is the best. That is where you're stating your opinion. That is your introduction. Then we have 2 feeling sentences or detail sentences. The first one says, I feel this way because, and then you give us the first reason why you feel that way. Third sentence is another feeling sentence or detail sentence. It says, I also think this because, and then state your second reason. Then our last sentence is a conclusion. This closes out our story. It says, that is why I think, and then once again you state your opinion. Okay? Now, this is a free write, which means you get to choose the topic that you would want to write about. I'm going to give you some ideas that you are welcome to use. If you do not want to use these ideas and you have something else you would rather write about, that is just fine. These are just to help you get started. You could write about your favorite school subject. Now, some subjects that we have at school are math, science, PE, writing, reading. Now, that is not all the subjects we have at school. We also have subjects like art or social studies. But if you like one of those, maybe you want to write about your favorite school subject. Choose one, and then you can write reasons why you think that one is the best. If you do not want to write about your school subject, maybe you could write about your favorite restaurant. Maybe your favorite restaurant is Chili's, and you can tell me why. Maybe you like to go to McDonald's. Why? How about IHOP? Maybe breakfast is your favorite kind of food. Do you like pizza? Like Domino's or Little Caesars or Pizza Hut? Or maybe you don't like to go to restaurants, you'd rather have your family cook, and your favorite restaurant is at your house. Here are some ideas for your favorite restaurant. If you do not want to write about your favorite restaurant, maybe you could write about your favorite summer activity. The weather has been getting warmer and you'll be able to spend a lot more time outside. So what do you like to do outside? Do you like to swim? Do you like to run through the sprinklers? Maybe you like to have a picnic or ride your bike. Maybe you get to go camping. Now, obviously, these are not all the summer activities, but those are just some ideas. So we just talked about some ideas for your favorite school subject. So you would say, in my opinion, I think the best school subject is blank. You could also say, in my opinion, I think the best restaurant is blank. Or, in my opinion, I think the best summer activity is blank. Now, if you do not want to write about your favorite summer activity, your favorite restaurant, or your favorite school subject, that's okay. This is a free write, which means that you get to choose what you want to write about. So you just pick a topic and go ahead and get your blank paper out. Your blank paper. Now, here are the sentence frames for you. If you pause this video, you will be able to have them up just like they would be in your classroom up on the board. Now, remember that you need at least 4 sentences. You need, in my opinion, I think, I feel this way because, I also think this because, and that is why I think. The lines that you see here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, that is your own feeling sentences. Make sure that you are writing about your opinion in there. Make sure you have capitals at the beginning of your sentences. Make sure you have periods at the end, finger spaces in between each word, and that you're using your best first grade handwriting. We are excited to see what you decide to write about. Bye.